Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Prof. John et on va parler de unité 6, les fêtes. So we are going to talk about the units we're going to work on this short summer session, intensive session, and basically are unit 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All of them follow the following format. You have the presentation of the unit, in this case unit 6 le fête. Then you have each unit divided into two lessons, lesson A and lesson B. Ici would be surprise and très chic. Then you are going to have a review tab for the unit 6 quiz, and then you're going to have some cultural readings and activities related. Then you're going to have overview and learning and assignments. The overview is a presentation of the course lesson, and the learning assignments are basically the pages you should read from the ebook or textbook and the activities you should complete on VHL. Also, it follows the same format for the lesson B. And then you have the reviews for the unit. So what you're going to do with the review for Unit 6 quiz, you're going to practice the vocabulary, some vocabulary with Kahoot. Then you are going to review the grammar explanations by yourself of the unit. Then you have vocabulary for the first part of the unit, the second part of the unit, some vocabulary with Kahoot again. And then you have a practice quiz. So the most important thing in this practice quiz is that you practice. That's the general idea. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be graded by completion. So no worries about it. Just complete at your best, and that's all. Then you are going to compare your responses of the practice quiz with the answer key, and then you are going to be ready to take the quiz on VHL. The VHL quiz, again, is timeless, so it means that you can complete it in 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. It's up to you, and it's open book. So you can use your notes, you can use the textbook, and it will be fine. Just try to do your best. And in terms of culture, you just have some readings, and the readings have some activities on VHL as well. Danke. You see, for this review, what we have? Let's see the overview of this lesson. In this lesson, what we're going to do? Basically, these are the objectives of this lesson. Demonstrate appropriate use and comprehension of terms related to parties, celebration, and stages of life. Demonstrate developing and use comprehension of pronunciation of open and closed vowels. Identify and demonstrate comprehension of demonstrative articles and its appropriate general number. And produce and demonstrate comprehension of simple statements using passé composé with the auxiliary avoir, as well as identify some irregular past participles. So in this lesson 6a, we will learn vocabulary focused on parties and celebrations. We also learn and practice the pronunciation of open and closed vowels, and you will learn how to identify the use of demonstrative articles and structures such as the passé composé with auxiliary avoir. Here is the place for this video, so no worries. Then, what we have here? We have the learning assignments. So in the learning and assignments, you have the reading of the vocabulary of this lesson. Then you should complete the VHL activities related to this vocabulary page. Then you have the reading of the son et la lettre. That is basically the page of pronunciation and spelling. Then you have some activities on VHL. The structures, then 6a, that is related to demonstrative articles, and the structures 6A2 that are related to le passé composé with avoir. Both of them, they have activities related on VHL. Make sure to complete them. And there are no TUL activities related to this lesson, so you will be fine. Danke. And that's all. Merci tout le monde. Na, 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 na.